In this video, we're covering multiplying and dividing negative integers. So the first thing I want to look at is when they have the same sign. All right, so the product and quotient of the same sign integers. So remember, product is multiplication, quotient is division. So when you have a positive integer and you times it by a positive integer, you get a positive answer. So for example, if we add 6 times 2, we get 12. 6 is positive, 2 is positive, 12 is positive. They're all the same. Okay, so key there, when it's the same sign, you get a positive answer. Now if we did division, what if we did 12 divided by 2? Well, we get 6. Positive 12, positive 2, positive 6. When you're dividing by positives, you get a positive answer. Negative times negative. Okay, so what if we had negative 2 times negative 3? We end up with 6. So when they're the same sign again, they're both negatives. When we multiply them together, we get a positive answer. So same signs, positive. And the same works for when we're doing division. Negative 16 divided by negative 4 gets me an answer of 4. Okay, negative and negative, positive. So sometimes I like to rewrite these as positive times positive equals positive. Positive divided by positive equals positive. Negative times negative equals positive. Negative divided by negative equals positive. And you can just have those symbols up at the top right corner of your page or your book, so you always have it there to go by. Now what happens when we're multiplying and dividing with different signed integers? Okay, so positives and negatives now. So positive times a negative is a negative. So for example, if I had 2 times negative 2, gets me an answer of negative 4. Same with division. If I had 4 divided by negative 2, my answer's negative 2. Okay? Signs are different, so I'm getting negative answers. Down here, what if I had negative 3 times 2? Well, I get the answer of negative 6. Negative 12 divided by 6, and the answer is negative 2. Didn't really need brackets there. Okay? So, different signs get me negative answers. So, positive times a negative equals negative. Positive divided by negative equals negative. Negative times positive equals negative, and negative divided by positive equals negative. The main takeaway, this is the main takeaway. The same signs are positive. Different signs negative.